Hi folks, and welcome back to the channel, and today we're once again visiting our friends at Naughty Vegan. And what have I got for you? Yes, if you've seen the description, you'll know it's my favourite, curried pies. If you've known me for a while, you know one thing I really can't stand, and that's hot food. And I don't think that this should be any different. There's 2 in a box, and they do come from a supermarket, a well-known one, and this is it. And if you've seen my previous videos, you've known that I've gone into Morrison's, I whipped around the shelves and decided to get these in just to see what they're like. Basically speaking, they've been out for around about 12 months now, and lots of people been banging on about how wonderful they are. At the moment, I haven't actually come across them that wonderful. Apart from the ones I sell in my shop, isn't that funny? It's because those type of products I got in my shop are for bakery businesses, and they've been wholesaled. These are what you buy. They don't sell this stuff to us. I don't know why. Probably I do now. So we'll get on with a review of this one, and we'll see if it surprised me or not. Well, let's have a look and see what you get in your box. Yep, this is it. One of these frozen pies. Nice foil on the bottom. Let's flick it out and have a look. On the base, it's a short crust, and it's a puff pastry on the top, and is a vegan type pastry. And whatever those bits are, whatever they are, they could be hot and spicy. I won't be testing them. And for baking, you'll be baking these for 45 minutes in an oven temperature of 200. And that's a fan assisted oven if you didn't know. We've seen what the frozen pie looks like. It's not that interesting, is it? It does have some type of glaze on the top there to make it nice and glazy. And if you notice how glazy this box is, it's Photoshop, by the way. That ain't how they come out. So let's have a look at the baked product. So there we go, there's your baked product. Now, as you can see, it's not as glazed up as the picture on the box shows, just in case. It does look very, very nice, I must say. And, oh, this is what I like. The base is cooked. It's got a cooked base, very nice. And the pastry on the top looks nice. So we'll cut all this rubbish out and we'll get on and cut her open because I want to try what this is like. Now remember, I don't like hot and spicy food. So if I like the content and I say this ain't hot, it means it's not hot. By the way, I've never had fish and chip shop curry. So let's get and cut her open. How excited I am. Oh, there's nothing in it. Yeah, I think this is all pastry, no filling. It's one of them. So let's have a look at the full content. And I guess this is, I'd understand if it was a chicken curry, but it's supposed to be curried chips. Is that a chip? Is that a potato chip? No, that's soya. That's that white soya stuff. You know the corn? That's what that is, that's corn. Base is cooked nice, but it's, I don't know. What do you think? Look at the colour. I know what I'm thinking. So interesting enough, I didn't expect to find anything else but sort of like curry stuff inside. I didn't expect to find it doesn't say on there that it should have anything else in it. There again, I haven't read the instructions on the side of the box. So what's actually in the content? So let's have a quick look now and we can see for ourselves. That is what's in the pie, and that's your nutrients. So let's get on with the taste test. It just smells like nothing. Does curry have a smell? Yeah, they usually do. So we'll start off with the pastry. Just try a little bit of it. I don't want to get any curry on it. Just once again, bland, no flavour. You know I don't like curry, by the way, guys. So let's go for it. You can see me going to spit it all out, can't you? That's got a lovely flavour. God, I'm actually surprised. Now, you know there's something wrong here, don't you guys? If I like that, that's not hot. I'm waiting for it. No. A little bit of tingling in there. It's not that easy. To be honest, if curries are like this, I'm going to start having curries. But I know they're not like that because I've had a curry and they're not like this. Well, be truthful, if you want it hot and spicy, this is not for you. It has got lots of corn stuff in it. Like I've said, this is just your white corn stuff. Look, this is just white corn. This is the same stuff you buy off the shelf in the supermarkets. It's nothing special and it's just full of it. I mean, there is lots of it in there. I'm not sure what that's got to do with the pie. In a curry in a fish and chip shop, do you have bits of something else in it? I don't know. I don't think so. I'd understand if they put chips in it, but there's lots of this stuff. It's full of it. Look, I'm gonna mangle the pie. Yeah, go for it. Look at it, folks. Look at it. Is that not lots of, look. Remember, I've already eaten some. This is corn. Look, there's still loads more in it. So you've got a shed of this corn stuff in it. That's what you're buying. It's amazed me. I mean, I've never seen anything like it, to be honest. The flavour is very nice. It's got a beautiful fruity flavour. It's not hot and spicy. And if that's how a curry comes out in a fish and chip shop, I'm sure I've seen many a review on curries from fish and chip shops, and that ain't a curry from a fish and chip shop. Pastry itself is bland and no flavour at all. It's made up from the centre, which is very, very nice. Now folks, if you do like this corn stuff, then this is the pie for you. But believe me, you'd probably be better off making your own pie. You could make up the pastry easy enough. You can buy this corn stuff off the shelf and just buy a pot of curry mix and just add that into it, and that's vegan. So if you don't remember what this is called, this is a naughty vegan fish and chip shop curry pies. I'm sure that's not what they look like. I'm not sure where they got their ideas from, but nevertheless. Well folks, now out of 10, what type of points can I give this today? Well, I'm gonna say it's a lot better than you'd think, but I'm gonna be safe. I'm borderlining the 5, but I'm gonna go because it actually does quite taste very, very nice, in my opinion. You guys who like curries will say, Steve, that's what you call seriously mild. It's gonna be a 6 out of 10 from me. And if you like this type of content, please subscribe and please share. And if you've tried this product, do put a comment down below the video. I'll be interested to see what you guys think about it. And we'll see you again very shortly on the Crazy Baker channel. Laters! This is the Crazy Baker channel. Baking. Lifestyle. Recipes. Reviews. I am the Crazy Baker. Please subscribe and please share. Laters!